equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the HP Omen 16 AKNO, a laptop that many consider unrepairable. Let's see if we can change that perception. First, gather your tools: a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will be essential for safely opening the device and preventing static damage. Start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically 10 screws, so keep them organized. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips. Now that we have access to the internals, let's take a look at the components. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, so it's crucial to clean the fans and heat sinks. Use compressed air to blow out any dust. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and hassle. Next, let's check the RAM and storage. If you're experiencing performance issues, reseating the RAM can sometimes resolve these problems. Gently release the clips on either side of the RAM sticks and pull them out. Reinsert them firmly until you hear a click. If you need assistance, our pickup and delivery at your home service can make this process easier for you. Now, let's inspect the battery. If your laptop isn't charging, the battery might be the culprit. Disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If you notice any swelling or damage, it's best to replace it. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. After checking these components, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back cover on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly to avoid any gaps. Finally, power on your laptop and check if the issues have been resolved. If you're still facing problems, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you remotely or arrange a service at your convenience. With the right tools and knowledge, you can tackle many issues with your HP Omen 16 AKNO, but if it feels overwhelming, we are here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.